Hey there, Instagram enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a fantastic tutorial for you. We'll show you how to create a group on Instagram, so let's dive right in. Step 1. Open Instagram. First things first, make sure you have the Instagram app installed on your smartphone. If you don't have it, you can download it from the App Store. Step 2. Log in. Open the Instagram app and log into your account if you aren't already logged in. You'll need to be logged in to create a group. Step 3. Go to your DMs, direct messages. Once you're on your Instagram home feed, tap the paper airplane icon in the top right corner. This will take you to your direct messages. Step 4. Create a new group. To create a group, tap the pencil icon in the top right corner of your direct messages screen. This will allow you to start a new chat. Step 5. Select group members. Now you'll need to select the friends you want to add to your group. You can search for their usernames and tap on their profiles to add them. Step 6. Name your group. Once you've added your group members, you'll be prompted to give your group a name. Choose a name that represents the group's purpose or the people in it. Step 7. Start chatting. Congratulations! Your group is now created. You can start chatting with your group members by sending messages, photos, videos, or other media, just like you would in any other Instagram chat. And that's it, folks. Creating a group on Instagram is a breeze. Whether it's for sharing inside jokes with your closest friends or collaborating with a team, Instagram groups are a handy feature to have in your social media toolkit. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching and happy Instagramming.